Hello everyone, my name is Tony. Sorry for the darkness. I don't know that you guys can see or not see, but let's start it. My bird pennies are so weird. Like why? I'll tell you soon. The Argentine like dogs spiraling pennies attach more than 16 inch. The seagull didn't have a penis at all. To animals with so much else in common, thus is pretty big in fact. Sorry, I'm down because it was pretty late. It is almost 11 p.m. So I want to sleep, but I'll do it for you guys. Factual in facts. Birds exhibit the biggest range in relative penis size of any class of vertebrates. And there are a couple key reasons why. One, male birds are uniquely set up to pass several sexual traits directly to their sons. Traits like showing male attraction, tail feathers, or genitalia in certain dimensions. Animals generally hand these kinds of traits down through their sex-to-sex chromosomes. Mammals pass on to their sons as pretty tiny and relatively few genes. Members, on the other hand, have bigger necks, chromosomes with lots of genes and therefore have higher chance in passing a mutation like the extra sexy tail feathers. Feathers. Directly to their sons who can attract more mates and potentially pass the mutation for extra sexy tail feathers to their sons and so on down the line. In short, male birds comparatively huge sex chromosomes or some reason much more exaggerated. Male traits have evolved in birds than mammals, like the duck's really long penis. Male ducks often mate with unwilling females before and it happens that the males with the longest and swiftest genitals are the most successful, which means the longest and swiftest general. Genes keep getting passed down from father to son. On the other hand, in bird species, rivers, whale, and dome males do better. Maybe females prefer them, or because big genitals might like tall males can end up with small knobs or even no penis at all. One of the reasons the bird's penis spectrum is so big is that it's really a bird penis tree. And a single mutation on bird's lost sex chromosome triggers production of the protein that basically raises all the developed embryos penis. All it takes to make entire species penis less in mutation to get passed down the line from male to male. But even how the chromosomal arrangement of rhizome allows more male traits to change. Morally, in penis last nest is in Permanent and Chulalaka, a wild cousin of it. Thank you for listening. Goodbye, and also you. Oh, yes.